So I'm curling my hair, and it's already falling out, as you can see, and I don't know how nicely it's going to turn out, but we'll see how things go. I'm now living at home with my parents, and my sister and my brother, so it's now a house full of 5 adults, because my sister hasn't lived in the house for 5 years, and I haven't lived in the house for 3 years. My brother's now 18. Ooh, fireworks. My dog's gonna have fun with that. Sassy? Are you okay with me? Come into my room. Don't go on the bed. You can be in here, just don't go on the bed. Alright. I'm gonna come here at home. She's so scared of the fireworks. You okay? Are you okay? You gonna be okay? Are you gonna be okay? Yeah. Alright, well, she's kind of freaked out now. So far, it's been a week of all of us here. Nothing exciting happened. I'm really bored. Really excited that school starts soon. Wednesday, actually. My schedule's pretty nice. I only have classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'm gonna have to take the GO train a lot. Or the GO bus. So yeah, that's fun. That's okay. Oh. She's gonna go hide in the bathroom. I'm in my brother's old room. It's really messy. Sass, there's no room in the closet. There's no room in the closet. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay. Sassy, Sassy, there's no room in there for you. Sassy, there's no room in the closet for you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, go under the desk. Go. Hey, go under. Poor Pooch. She's so scared. I'll show you what she's... Oh, can't big thing. I'll show you how she is right now. Hey, Sassy baby, are you okay? Hey? Are you vibrating? Are you vibrating? Oh, poor freaked out Pooch. Poor freaked out Pooch. You gonna be okay there? You gonna be okay? Think so? Gonna make it? Are you gonna make it? You gonna make it? Okay. Well, I'm gonna keep making my video. So anyways, my laptop screen is rather broken, as you can see. I don't really know what happened to it, but yeah, it's doozy and it's slowly bleeding more black from all the corners. So soon I won't be able to see through my monitor at all. Dog's still freaking out. And then I'm gonna need a separate monitor for my laptop. Definitely not taking it to classes anymore. Yay! Yeah, I need so many books. Okay, you need to calm down. Poor dog. Oh, the cracking noises. So many books, because most of my classes are year-long courses now. I need over $700 worth of books. Ugh, I'm so annoyed. So many books. You're gonna be okay. But I'm really excited. My schedule looks really good, as I already told you. And yeah, I need to look for a part-time job because I need the money. Alright. These are cold, so I'm gonna... You're okay. I'm gonna take my hair out now. Curling complete. That was great. this side does not. Let me pick up the place I dropped. Alright, and it's already falling out of place, so yeah, curling my hair with these things doesn't work out very well. That is okay. That is okay. Ooh, I won a Transformer award. Yeah, I did. For being awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna make my Transformer transform. This is my Transformer. Robots in disguise. There are instructions on how to do this? No. This is not right. Try to get in the closet again. I already told you I can't get in there. Oh, I broke it. Oh no. That was my Transformer. I broke it. I broke it. Oh no. Okay. Here's a fun fact. I've never seen a Transformers movie. Yeah. Alright. That's my tale. There's nothing else to tell you. So, see ya TVA.